Don't let what happened to my windshield happen to your windshield. Hi, I'm Dave with My Baby Detailing, and this is my 2024 Jeep Wrangler. Within the first 500 miles that I owned it, I got a chip in the windshield. But today we're gonna make sure that never happens again as we install some Exo Shield windshield protection film. So there you have it. You've seen the installation of the Exo Shield windshield protection film. I no longer have to worry about rock chips on my Jeep. Maybe you've got a Jeep, a Bronco, some other vehicle that's prone to rock chips, or just the average daily driver. Give us a call about Exo Shield windshield protection film for your vehicle. Also, don't want to forget that it also blocks 99% of ultraviolet rays, another benefit of protecting your windshield with Exo Shield.